Try to accept this fat red herd is your starting point. In the way a pen must be put to paper in one particular spot, then move beyond the globby flap of blame and past the mono-sulk of pen. Change the subject before it's too late. Sketch out what health you do possess, what signal-cascades, what flotilla of cells circumnavigate you. Then draw yourself back together again in a language of your own. Your body's talk is loose as lymph. It will have you open out as a tray, or snake up on pen as assassin, sidekick, or wolf. Encourage this, for healing won't come at you straight. Embrace the lack of heroics. This isn't Hollywood. It's you in a plot that may or may not resolve.